Yo guys, welcome back here at Juan's shop again. And remember that car that he was primering? Check this out. Yeah, that came out hella clean, bro. Ooh. See, Juan got some skills. That shit look nice. This white Civic here. Civic gang. Ooh. The 14, you know, brand new rear suspension. All done. Hopefully you guys can hear me with this mask on, but brand new suspension, brakes, everything's being changed right now. So today we might be a chance of putting on the front lip because I did buy some screws, some really long screws right here. And what I'm gonna do is drill underneath the bumper because when Panda turns, he is grabbing this little lip where I originally had the lip attached to, like this is where I drill through. I'm gonna cut that off, and since I have all that at the bottom, I'm just gonna drill the lip from the bottom up to this, and then I have to trim out the lip to fit for this part of the kit so it sits in there like a pocket. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. But right now, Juan already jacked up the back and take off the wheels, and probably see what we can do. Yeah, so inside we're gonna try to hammer this instead of cutting it, because if we cut more of this then we lose the whole structure of the wheel well. So we could possibly hammer it, because then if not, then we're gonna do a lot of spot welding, and I don't want to do that much.
In the future, we're gonna have to weld this thing.
Yeah, of course. That's why I saved the scrap metal.
Well, we don't need it. Like it is right now, we can weld it.
That looks better.
When you're ready for painting them, we're gonna weld it before.
Yes.
Because we're gonna remove all these things, and we're gonna have some room to weld all the things together. Because the vibration is gonna open it. And the water and all the things
all
gonna
that
go
inside. That's why I want
the dust. All the dust is gonna go inside.
Yeah, that's why I want to fix that first. We definitely killed that spot that was eating the part of the tire right here, all the way through. But everywhere else, kind of flush. And we're gonna get that welded before our painting for sure. So now I'm gonna put this back on, take off the other side, and do the same thing. Because the other side's not as bad. The tire's not being eaten away right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, it is a little bit right here. And where this is coming from is, let's see, right there, that spot that's open. So we're gonna hammer that closed, and everything should be fine on this side. So the car is all put back together. Right now, what I'm gonna do is sand off all this crappy paint. So Juan hooked it up with some sandpaper. Just gonna use a 320 grit because I already got this part pretty good, super smooth, so it'll be ready for the next time I paint it. But I think it's best for me to do that before I start cutting that little lip area and then drilling like through the bottom right here for the new screws and everything. Okay, after a few hours of sanding, I got most of the old paint completely off. It's really smooth. For the ends, doesn't matter. It looks like it's there, but it's not. It's actually really smooth. So what I'm going to do is try to position this on the front bumper. I'm going to jack up the front of the car and then see where I'm going to drill through the bottom and go from there. Not gonna work. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna show you something real quick. So, we're underneath the car. It looks like I could plug it in here, but the lip only sits about this far, so I can't even drill. Lands like right here, so I can't even like drill it straight up because it will go in an angle, and it's not good because this part of the lip, this bottom part right here, is too short. If it was like about that much longer, I could just drill straight up into the bumper. So there's a possibility I might lose this lip or put it in the storage or something because my plan failed. There's not much I can do about that. So I'm just gonna rock Panda like this for now. It's really hot, so I'm kind of done for today. And no, it's not because I'm wearing my beanie. I'm wearing my beanie because I want dust and dirt to get in my hair. Let me check this down. Woo! And that sucks. So if you guys have any suggestions on any lips that might work with this, let me know. Until then, I'll be doing my research. Because the only other thing I can do, so from like the bumper itself, I'll make like an L bracket and bolt it onto the bumper and piece the bracket onto here. That's the only other way I think I can get this lip to work. I have to go to Home Depot and get those brackets. And I think I just cracked the lip. Ah, great. It's all good though. Like I said, nothing's perfect. I'm just getting all the measurements because I am supposed to get a splitter for Panda, but I don't know which brand or what kind of splitter yet. So we'll see what I come up with like later on. I'll move Panda out here real quick so that way we can wash the truck, give it back to the customer. Damn, B18. Yeah, it's clean. Now this truck's huge. Alright guys, it's been a few hours later. I'm over here talking to Juan and we are installing like his axles, and you can see detail. Looks hella good. And those that talk about Godspeed, my dude, it's in here. Got these greens in here. We got them, you know, golds, rose golds. We got them silvers to grays. You know what I mean? We got that baby blue. It look like Legos in here, my dude. What needs to be painted next is like these brakes. Still trying to figure out what color, and then the drive shaft, of course. Right now, we might take off this rust dust. We want to get the wire brush, and then we're going to install the other axle on the other side. This was kind of one of the ideas I wanted to do the Panda, but speaking of Panda, remember that the lip bracket idea I was talking about? He did it right here with this side skirt, okay, and he put a bracket like this in there, and like bolted it obviously from the bottom there, and then like whatever angle you need the bracket to be at, bolted onto the frame of the car, and that's it. So this is something I might do for Panda in the future. The kit is really on there pretty good on my car. So as far as the lip, if I want to keep that front lip before I get the splitter, I think that's something I'm gonna do. I just gotta go to Home Depot, get all the supplies. I might do that in this video or the next video, I'm not sure. I honestly don't know where this video is going, but right now I'm just gonna vlog a little bit of us putting this in, and that's about it. You guys want to know how massive these wheels are? Look at this. Oh, look at my hand. Look at my hand, barely fits on one side, bro. This is huge. There will be another video on this car soon. Hopefully I have a new camera by then. If you guys want to check out the video I did recently of the shop, it's a real chill kickback video that we do here. It'll be great. Oh, the cylinder goes on the outside?
No, because I put in this thing because I don't have the lid.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. An ATV or something?
Yeah. Now can you put the shifter on the middle?
Neutral?
The shifter.
Yeah, neutral?
Yeah, neutral, please.
I'll set this.
Okay, got it.
This interior is nice. Neutral. The other side is in. Took us a minute, but those bolts we back there. Here, let me show you guys. You just have to make sure these little bolts fit, because this diff is a 350Z diff and axles, so a lot more power. Rep your daily. Oh. It's always good to have your stuff organized so you can see it, think, and not think about like where's it at, like, you know what I mean. So it's a little bit easier to find all the tools right here, the parts that we put on next, all this other stuff. Passenger?
It's gonna be passenger side. So the stock one, it doesn't fit with this bracket. So I give you like a guide. You can fit this bracket here, but I cut it. See? I cut this.
The top part. Yeah, that's what I was wondering. I was like, did you cut this?
Cut it, and what else? I shaved. Oh, here.
You shaved
I cut
that
it here because it was like this big.
Okay.
And I shaved it. Yeah.
I'm not giving it up. Assemble this. It was a
Just
five
add the bracket
conversion?
5 lock conversion, yeah.
Okay.
I did it, I replaced it.
The Spencer
And a longer studs.
Oh, you replaced the studs?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I see. A lot longer.
Yeah, because my wheels are wide.
Yeah,
11 by, 18s by 11 and a half on the back.
Okay.
And 18s by 10 and a half.
Oh, wow.
They're big.
I was trying to get 10 and a half on mine.
Oh, okay.
But,
for the back?
For the front. For all around.
Oh, okay.
Then I was like, you know what, I need to go 8.5 in the front.
Yeah.
But they had no more. They ran out of the half sizes.
Oh.
So I had to get 9s. I was like, okay, let me just see where I'm at, and then if I like them, I'll switch them or buy a new wheel. But now it looks like I just get bigger wheels in the back only.
Oh.
Because the fronts are perfect.
So I put it wrong.
Which way?
This thing.
We found out that these things are backwards. And they go the other way. So I gotta take them off.
Damn. Fucking stupid.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah. Yeah, remember this is gonna be for the other one. It's gonna be this one. And there's a video on YouTube.
Oh, there is a video?
They made a video.
Oh, okay, to show you how to do it. I was like, whoops.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it looks better. Cause I was trying to understand why you cut this.
Yeah.
I like the cut and it looks off. And
There you go.
oh, that was gonna go on. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Okay, now we got these on, so ooh, that's way better than it was before. Put it on backwards. Guys, you don't understand. Like, we're kind of tired and we're still out here working, but we gotta get this car up and running because it can't sit here all dusty. This car's too pretty to look like this. Fits a lot better now?
Yeah.
Oh, it went on smoother? Oh, that one's different?
Yeah, because
doesn't the pin go through that first? Or through it both,
it has to be this one first and then the pin.
Oh.
I'm not going to put this much just pin on.
Okay.
Because it's different. Look. The 240 is bigger than the 350.
Oh.
This one fits in here, look. See? But it doesn't fit in here.
Oh, I see. Guys, it's coming along good. What's the gold, the green, the blacks? Everything looks hella nice. Alright, you guys, I think that will be it for today's video. I didn't think I'll be here all day. I couldn't leave Juan by himself. It was fun working with him. As far as Panda and the kit and the lip, I'm just gonna make a bracket for this. I'm just so excited about the kit being on the car. Man, it looks good. Sorry, I just changed the brightness for you guys. I'm just gonna rock it like this, just for now. My camera battery is dying. The other camera battery had died. I forgot to charge it. So there was more stuff I did have planned for today, but I'm just gonna end it. I'll just give you guys a review video of what's going on with the kit. I will be painting this later. I'm just gonna take the rest of today of buying some of the supplies for the car that I might need. I really wish the lip was on now because I've been looking at that. Some of the scratches I don't like. Still gonna have to like do the riv nuts and all that. It's just that we got caught up like working on this truck right here, cleaning it up, and then his car's been sitting like that for a few months since that video, the 6/20/20 video. After that video, that car has been on jack stands, so like we want to get it running. There's still a few more stuff, but I'll go back in there, handle that off camera. There's not much to this video, so if it's really short, I'm sorry, but Panda is sitting a lot better. And you know what, by Juan hammering that piece, nothing is touching at all, so no more scraping. Now I can probably pop these off and then like just repaint it a little bit so it matches the front. You guys will see some updates on either Panda's IG. Other than that, if you guys like what I did today's video, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys. Peace out.